now we will begin with chapter number 14. In that, we will learn about exercise 14.1. Students, now we will begin with exercise 14.1, question number 1. Draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. So for that, what we will do is, we will mark a point O at the center. Now we will take rounder and scale. Now we will open the arms and we will take radius of 3.2 centimeter. Now from this center we will draw a circle. Now if you measure, this will be center O. Now if you measure, you can see that this will be 3.2 centimeter. Radius 3.2 centimeter. Now we will write steps. First step, mark a point O on a paper which will be center of circle. And next point, open the arms of compass and take distance 3.2 centimeter, which is equal to radius. Next one, keep the needle of compass on point O and turn compass slowly to draw required circle. So this will be question number 1. Next question is, with center O, draw two circles of radius 4 cm and 2.5 cm. So again we will mark point O. We will write first step, mark point O which will be common center. Now what we will do is, first of all we will draw a circle of 2.5 centimeter. So we will take radius of 2.5 centimeter and keeping the circle, the center in the middle, we will draw a circle. Now we will write next point. make radius of 2.5 centimeter. Open the arms of compass to make radius of 2.5 centimeter. Now again we will keep the center same and we will take radius of 4 centimeter. Now we have radius of 4 centimeter. With center we will draw another circle. Next point, keep needle of compass at O and draw a circle. With radius 2.5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Now we have two circles with radius 2.5 centimeter and radius 4 centimeter. So we will draw two lines. This will be 2.5 centimeter and this will be 4 centimeter. This is question number 2. Now question number 3 is cancelled. We are directly moving to question number 4. Question number 4 is draw any circle and mark points A, B and C such that first A is on the circle, second B is in the interior of the circle and C is in the exterior of the circle. So what we will do is we will draw a circle. With any radius. Now this is the center of the circle. So this will be O. Now first one is A is on the circle. So we will write A over here. B is in the interior of the circle. So we will write B. And C is in the exterior. So we will write C. Now no need to write steps of construction for this question. This is question number 4. Now we will move to exercise 14.2. Exercise 14.1 is complete and we will skip question number 5.